What do you think this phone is? It's iPhone 12. Can you guess the color? Let's quickly unbox it. What's your take on this color? How do you like it? It's blue, but it's very dark blue. So unlike the Pro model, iPhone 12, blue is actually blue. It looks quite nice actually. Okay, mute, unmute button. What are these? These are actually power button because it's mentioned here. These are power button. Sorry, not power button. This is unmute, mute, and this is a volume up. This is volume down, volume up, volume down, and here is the SIM. Okay, Type C, speaker, nothing on this side. This is the power button, nothing at the top. This is how the shiny screen look. Notch at the top. Okay. Hello. The bluish is very blue. It's a deep blue color. Some people would like it, some might not like it very well. What else do you get in the box? Let's see. So, to get a cable, and some, what is this? I guess it's a SIM ejector. Yeah, it's a SIM ejector. An Apple sticker, some manual, and a SIM ejector. That's it. That's all in the box. And this is your iPhone. Okay, so that's all. I will do a setup now.